Hi guys, so today I thought we would test out my Vitamer. So right now I'm just showing you that it does come in different colors and it can be ordered. And so here we're going to do a quick little smoothie. No recipe, it's just when I know it's certain ingredients I like together. Sometimes I would do my own little ingredients in a smoothie. So I'm just showing you the box that it came in. I actually got this from the Gimme 5 store that I told you guys about. So right here, just seeing I'm putting a couple of ice cubes in it because I'm going to drink it and I want it cold. Otherwise, I wouldn't even put ice cube in it because I'm just doing it right here and now. I'm just putting a few ice cubes. I think I put like 4 ice cubes in there. Then I'm adding a little water because I don't want the ice cubes to stick. So I'm adding just a little water so I can kind of move the ice cube around and have the water just a little cold. And now you see me adding kale. I didn't really measure anything. That might be half a cup, if that, of kale I'm putting in there. And I'm putting I believe that's a half of banana. I like the way kale and banana taste together. So I added some kale, I added some bananas, and I also like blackberries. So I added maybe 6 or 7 blackberries, something like that. I love the way and the flavor that it gives it. So I added like maybe 6 or 7 blackberries, and then I added mango because I love mango, banana, and kale. I love those 3 together also. Okay, so once I got my mango in, it was maybe like 3 or 4 little chunks. It's frozen berries, blackberries, and frozen mango. Once I got that in, and then I wanted to add a little peach taste, so I added just about maybe 3 tablespoons of my peach and yogurt. Yeah, it's just peach by itself, my peach yogurt. I thought that would blend well with the mango, so I added maybe about 3 tablespoons of that. Once I got the peach yogurt in, I added just a tad, not too much, but just a little bit of almond milk. And I know you said almond milk, yeah. I added just a little bit of almond milk to mix up with a little of that water and a little of that peach yogurt. And I thought that would be so good. So we're going to test it out and see how well does it blend. I'm putting the top on. I think this would be so perfect to take for work. I put the top on and I shake it up just a tad, kind of move things around. I don't want to blow you guys' ears out, so I'm going to cut it off for a minute and go and blend it. Okay, now it's all blended up, and as you can see that it really didn't just blend all of the ingredients up. You still can see some of the ingredients, but it's very drinkable. It's not big chunks. It's very drinkable. So I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to pour it in the glass so you guys can see the consistency of it. And see, it does have a smooth texture to it. It's not big chunks in there. It blended it real well, the ice and everything. And I'm giving it a taste. And of course, I love the taste. It tastes good. Okay, guys. So I think this is a handy little tool. I really do. I think it blended up the ice and everything. Now, I didn't blend it that long because I had to give it another little charge. So, in all fairness, for the little time that I blend, because I blend mine extra long. Like, I can go from, I'm going to tell you why. Because I put stuff on and go on and do other stuff. So, I come back and be done blending. That's why I blend my other smoothies so long. Because I put them in there and go and do whatever I need to do and come back and it end up being about 5 or 6 minutes. But just putting it in there, watching it a couple of minutes, I can actually say it did pretty good. Now, you can still see a lot of the ingredients, and I think it's because I didn't blend it that long. And you can see right here, you know, but when you drink it, you still can get a little of that crunch. Now, some people like a little crunch in their smoothie, but I really do believe it's because I didn't blend it that long. This is a handy dandy little tool. I think for $5, I'm so happy I found it for $5, brand new. And I think for $5, yes. But the thrifter or the bargain hunter in me, I don't know if I could do 32. I don't know if I could do 32 with shipping and handling. And I did want one of these. I was so happy to find it. I just don't know if I'd have been willing to do 32 for it. Especially as you do a lot of smoothies. and if you on a J Smoothie 10-day fast, I think this is perfect. But like I said, you might have to let it blend a little longer. But if you want that crunch like you're eating something, perfect. I did not let it blend that long. So I'm thinking that's what it is. Now, is it super duper powerful? No, because it's just a little handy blender. But I think it does really well for what it is. So, how did my Vitamer work out? I like it. $5. And I can take this on vacation. I can throw it in my purse. I can have my fruit. And I'm going to tell you something. If you just do fruit only and no veggies, it might blend even better. Like I said, I can't give it all fairness in there. I would have to let it blend for a minute and really see how I do. But I'm not expecting like if I would do it in a major blender. Because like I said, it's just a little hell hand blender. But for just a little hell hand blender, I think it did absolutely great. But I keep saying that thrifting me for $32. No. $5, yes. Okay, so I done talked enough. And with that being said, I like my Vitamer. And I'm so glad I found it. And I'm so glad I tested it out with you guys. Yay! All right, be the solution. Bye.